The PN5180 is a high-performance, full NFC forum-compliant front-end, which offers multiple power-saving features to extend battery life and maximize efficiency, enabling best-in-class readers. It is an advanced multi-protocol NFC front-end that delivers more efficient, robust, and reliable operation even in harsh environments. The PN5180 supports different kinds of contactless communication methods and protocols, ensuring maximum interoperability with cards and the next generation of NFC-enabled mobile phones. PN5180 comes with innovative features and tools that quicken the design and certification process significantly. Among them, the dynamic power control, which achieves up to a 25% higher operating distance compared to standard antenna tuning. An SPI interface is used to connect with the host controller and accepts flexible RF configurations from the host to support standard and proprietary card formats. Optimized 32-bit commands make it easy to use with the latest microcontrollers. The product is offered in small industry packages, including a special BGA form factor for PCI compliancy. In read-write mode, the PN5180 is enabled for ISO 14443 Type A, ISO 14443 Type B, Sony Felica, and supports the vicinity protocol according to ISO 15693 and ISO 18003 Mode 3. In card emulation mode, the PN5180 front-end IC is able to answer a reader-writer command according to the ISO 14443 Type A card interface scheme. PN5180 supports ISO 18092 for NFC forum tag types 1 to 5 and peer-to-peer mode, both active and passive communication as initiator or target. The Dynamic Power Control, or DPC, is a feature that allows a software-controlled transmitted current limitation. No extra components are needed, and it can be adapted to any antenna. This current limitation allows the control of the RF field strength. DPC maximizes RF system performance, optimizes effective power output, and minimizes overall energy consumption by automatically compensating the detuning effect generated by nearby smart cards, NFC-enabled smartphones, or metal objects. DPC uses a symmetrical antenna tuning to improve the transfer function. Therefore, a higher RF field is delivered, allowing easier achievement of EMVCO operating volume with smaller antennas or lower current consumption requirements. In combination with the TX shaping capabilities, it can also be used to optimize the pulse shape of the transmitted data per each RF protocol and per bit rate to meet the waveform requirements defined in the EMVCO and NFC Forum certifications. The PN5180 is an ideal product for payment terminals, access readers, or industrial readers needing to generate a strong RF field in a difficult environment. The PN5180 is optimized for point-of-sales terminal applications thanks to its high-power NFC front-end functionality, which allows it to achieve EMV compliancy on RF level without additional external active components. Physical access control applications can benefit from PN5180 power-saving features, extending battery life in portable readers or battery-based devices. E-government and industrial applications benefit from the strong RF performance, as well as the broad RF protocol supported. The PN5180 development board enables the user to perform a quick evaluation of the reader IC. It can be used as a simple standard reader for software development, hardware design, and to perform RF and antenna design-related tests. The PN5180 development kit contains an evaluation board with CE and FCC certification connected to a PCB antenna of 65 by 65 millimeters, optimum size for EMVCO applications. Another PCB antenna of 30 by 50 millimeters, optimized for NFC applications. 3 small PCB antennas for custom antenna matching circuit design. PN5180 samples in a QFN package. The kit is available through the NXP distribution channel and eDemo board portal. As part of the product support package, a PC-based application called NFC Cockpit is provided. The NFC Cockpit is a professional tool for engineers used to configure, test, and explore the functionality of PN5180 in an intuitive way. The NFC Cockpit provides direct full read-write register and EEPROM protocol access, including info description at bit level. There are several options for EEPROM management: read-write access using byte addresses, dump EEPROM to store a backup of all settings, load EEPROM to restore a previous configuration. There are also basic controls for the RF field operation, such as switch on and off or reset the field. And digital and analog test signals can be routed to selected output test pins using the test signals section. Using the cockpit, we can also operate and configure the PN5180 evaluation board as a contactless reader for type A, B, F, and vicinity cards, for test and configuration of the low power card detection, for test and calibration of the dynamic power control. The PN5180 is supported by the NFC Reader Library, a software library in C that provides an API to deploy NFC applications, operate with NFC tags, MyFair cards, or develop peer-to-peer applications. The library is pre-certified for EMVCO Level 1 and NFC Forum and complies with all applicable ISO standards. The NFC Reader Library is actively maintained by NXP. It saves development time and offers other advantages such as easy switching between different reader ICs and portability to different microcontroller architectures. Its modular structure also provides a high flexibility of use. The software development environment requires a PN5180 evaluation board, an LPC Link 2 board, and the LPC Espresso development environment with NFC Reader Library and software examples. PN5180 is the best full NFC front-end on the market, thanks to its high RF field strength, its power-saving features, and its maximum interoperability. It comes with a new built-in feature called Dynamic Power Control to monitor antenna current, RF power, and the related waveforms to deliver optimized RF performance. It is supported by advanced tools that make developing your NFC reader easier than ever. The NFC Cockpit, a PC-based tool for configuration and testing. A software library, pre-certified for EMVCO Level 1 and NFC Forum, including ready-to-use software examples. And a development kit, which includes an evaluation board, IC samples, and different antenna PCBs. More information at www.nxp.com.